much all we gonna do today, y'all. We're gonna stop there because we have some stuff we need to do with the truck we just bought. Y'all, so we did just buy another truck. Got to get that thing on the road and start making some money out of that truck. So we gotta, get it prepared. Hopefully by next week, or
up and running.
Yeah, hopefully by next week it'll be up and running. So we already ordered the ELD, got the insurance quote and everything. Just need to, make that payment, and then we'll be ready to roll, y'all. So stay tuned with us today. We got a pretty good day. I mean, we only got 2 routes, but they're really good paying routes, y'all. So just stay tuned with us and watch us work. They are loading us up now, y'all. So we'll be out of here pretty quick. It is, time is it? 9:17. We actually had a longer wait than we usually have, but it's all good. Trying to see what we got back here. He said it's not too much. So as y'all can see, it ain't too much right now. They pretty tall pallets, so we gotta be careful with bringing it down on the lift gate. But 9:18, we should be done, or probably around, I'll say about 10 o'clock. Gotta drive there, unload, and then we headed to Dallas. Hopefully we'll be there about 10:30. Really not a certain time that we have to be there. They just said, you got till 1 o'clock to pick it up. So we gonna head to Dallas right after we drop off in Wilmer. All right, guys, we got 9 pallets today. We're back at the local church in Wilmer, dropping off the donations. Like I told y'all, it is probably about 5 miles down the road, which is why we can carry the food products on here, because they're literally giving it out the same day as we drop it off. Okay, guys, we have to take a couple layers off the top, because as you can see, there's a couple smush boxes at the bottom causing it to be unstable. So we're taking a few layers off, and then we're gonna try to get under there with the pallet jack and see if that works, because as of now it's too slanted to get our pallet jack to go in, and we couldn't take it off the lift gate with the pallet jack, so we had to drop it. If we would have took it off with the pallet jack, it probably would have tilted over. All right, guys, we are all done. 9 pallets. All right, y'all, we are at the gas station, about to put some diesel in the truck. Got this from a YouTuber, really. See how this works. This is our first time using it, the Get Upside app. This is a location that was on here, and it says that we would save 51 cents a gallon cash back on diesel. So we're gonna see how that works. I believe it takes 24 to 48 hours to get the cash back, and I guess it will go on this app. I'm not sure how you use it. Like I told y'all, this is our first time, but hey, if it's gonna save us some money, we down for it. So Nate over there gassing up, seeing how much it's gonna cost us, because right now it's $5.29 a gallon, y'all. We are in Texas.
You want something out of here?
No, all right. All right, y'all, we are at $265 to fill this tank up. Man, it used to take $150 to fill up, but now it's $265, cutting into our profit. But hey, we still gotta get out here and make it work. So like I told y'all, I got this get upside thing, and we gonna see how it works. Y'all, we are at this Hilton hotel, picking up our second getting our second pickup for today. They said really good rate. It might be a little work, but hey, we gonna do the dirty work. We ain't scared to put in the work, y'all. And like I told y'all, these are not semis. These are not semis where you can always just go to a loading dock and bag up and sit down and just wait on them to offload. In these box trucks, you have to put in some work sometimes, y'all. So do not be scared of work, you know. Make that money. Don't be scared, y'all. They always say scared money don't make no money. So get out there and make the money. You do a little work, y'all. It's a little workout. We just think of it like a little workout. It ain't nothing. So I think we gotta take 8 pieces out of here and put it on the truck. They're only about 80 pounds. So we got a dolly, we got everything we need. We're gonna put it on the truck, put it on the lift gate, and tie it down, y'all. That's that easy. And like I said, this is a good rate. So don't be scared to do a little dirty work, especially if you trying to stay local. You gonna have to put in some work, and that's what it is. Everything locally ain't gonna be dock to dock. A lot of local stuff gonna be lift gate and driver assist. So remember that if you want to stay dock to dock, your best bet is to be over the road. Okay. So we are taking all of these guys and loading them up on the truck. Y'all, we got 8 of these boxes, actually 10, because 2 of them are loose. But like I told y'all, you can't be scared to do a little work. It's easy money for us. We gonna put in the work. They're not heavy at all. Probably like 80 pounds, probably lighter than that, to be honest. That's just what they said. 1 down, 9 more to go. Wish I had a dollar, y'all. I'll be pulling some out. It is. Let me help y'all. I'm gonna help a little bit today. I think I'm gonna help a little bit. These things light, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I think it's gonna be 1 loose one. We are at the drop-off location, and they told us just to sit it out here. That's what we like. That's what we like. We ain't gotta go take nothing in, just drop it right here. Like I told y'all, this gonna be our last route for today. Like always, made pretty well, y'all. Can't beat that for 2 routes. And we just want y'all to know, if y'all trying to stay local, please don't be scared of the dirty work. It ain't gonna be dock to dock all the time, especially in a box truck, y'all. We don't have a semi. It's not something that we can just bag into a loading dock and get unloaded every time. It's not gonna happen like that.
Gotta get out and get it.
Oh, for real, man. Like they say, scared money don't make no money. So don't be scared to get your hands dirty, y'all. Sometimes you might have to do multiple drops. So make that money, y'all. Don't let that money just, go past you and, you saying, oh, there's too many drops. If the mileage is there and the pay is right, do it, y'all. Don't be scared to make money. And that's how it is local. You're going to have to use that lift gate and pallet jack. Sometimes, most of the time. It's not like you can just, like I said, you can't go dock to dock every time. So don't be scared again. Trying to get into the box truck game, just know that's what you're gonna have to do sometimes, y'all. So like I said, we did 2 routes, we done. So y'all, we out. We about to go fix up on our other truck because we trying to get that running by next week. Yep. So we finna get to that. But other than that, y'all stay blessed, peace and love.
Keep on trucking.